ain't perfect, but there are things we can do to make all the troubles worth it. That will help us make it through, like faith, hope, and giving. And the greatest of all is love. That's the joy in living. In this world there ain't enough, but if you do someone a favor with only goodwill on your mind, therein lies a wealth beyond measure. Ain't that the bottom line? If you're looking for a treasure, be sure you know what you find. To some, it's water in the desert. To others, gold in a mine. But if you do someone a favor with only goodwill on your mind, therein lies a wealth beyond measure. Ain't that the bottom line? But if you do someone a favor with only goodwill on your mind, therein lies a wealth beyond measure. Ain't that the bottom line? 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 Papa loved me, cared about the life I lived. He never said, what do you know? You're just a kid. I spent time as grandson and friend with the man who loved me way back when. Let me drive the tractor, feed cattle, bale hay, shared cool well water during hot summer days. Growing up I watched and learned as he prayed with the man who loved me way back when. He told me about Jesus, how he loved my mama so, and one day the Lord would take us all home. We played fiddle and guitar. After we were through, I sat beside his easy chair and whispered, I love you. Years are past now, and I still miss my friend. I think of his words and the things that he did. It makes it easier knowing now what I learned from him. He's safe in the arms of the man who loved us way back when. He told me about Jesus, how he loved my mama so, and one day the Lord would take us all home. He played fiddle and guitar. After we were through, sat beside his easy chair and whispered, Papa, I love you. Years had passed now, said goodbye to family and friends. I think of Papa's words and the things that he did. It makes it easier knowing now what I learned from him. They're safe in the arms with a man who loved us way back when. They're safe in the arms with a man who loved me way back when. Like only yesterday, took his daughter to the park to play. She looked up, smiled and said to him, Daddy, I really don't want to leave. He said, honey, we can't stay. We'll come back another day. Took her hand and said to her, trust in Daddy's word. He watched her grow through her school years, dealing with her dreams and fears. Seems he just turned around, and there she was in cap and gown. He said, honey, understand, you hold your future in your hand. Test your wings, Fly like a bird, trust in Daddy's word. Trust in Daddy's word. Listen to your heart. Follow the feeling that leads to the light, and you'll always know what's right. Like a princess dressed in white, his little girl made a beautiful bride. He stood proudly by her side and watched her go to love. She said, Daddy, I love you. He said, honey, I love you too. More than anything on earth, trust in Daddy's word. Trust in Daddy's word. Listen to your heart. Follow the feeling that leads to the light, and you'll always know what's right. Trust in Daddy's word. Listen to your heart. Follow the feeling that leads to the light, and you'll always know what's right. Follow the feeling that leads to the light, and you'll always know what's right.